You're welcome back to class. Okay, today we're going to be learning about simple interest. Yes, the introductory part of simple interest. What is simple interest? Okay, it simply means when you get an interest of a particular amount that is being paid to the bank, okay, within a period of time. Alright, so we have a question on the board that says, a boy deposits 200 naira in the First Savings Bank, which pays an interest of 3.5% per annum. How much interest will he get in 1 year? Now, we have a formula that we use in calculating questions like this. The simple interest equals what? PRT over 100. What does this mean? As we know, the I here represents what? Interest. P is the principal. Okay? And the R is, it means the rate. And of course, T here represents time. Good. Now, from the question here, our principal here is what? 200 naira. The rate, which is the interest, equals what? 3.5%. And the time equals what? Duration of 1 year. So we're going to use a formula here that says simple interest equals principal times rate times time over 100. And the principal here is 200 naira times the rate is what? 3.5, and the time is 1 over 100. Okay, so this simply means 200 naira times, we're going to expand this. 2 times 3 is 6, 6 plus 1 is 7, times 1 over 100 times 2. That's 7 over 2 from here. 3 times 2 equals 6 plus 1, 7 over 2. Alright, so these 2 zeros crosses out these 2 zeros. 2 here is 1, and 2 into 2 here is 1. So I left it what? 7 naira. And this is the simple interest. The interest is going to get after 1 year. Alright, I hope this solves questions that has to do with finding the simple interest of a particular question. As time goes on, we'll get to find the principal, the rate, and the time, given all other forms of the simple interest formula. Okay, I'll see you in my next class. Do have a wonderful day. Bye.